Hi there, just going to show you how to sow some perennials. This is quite a good time to sow perennial seeds. You can sow them really early in spring with the hope of getting some flowers that first year, but they tend to be rather weak plants. By sowing them now, you can overwinter them and plant out really good strong plants next spring, ready to give you a good show the following year. You can do this with lots of things. I've actually got Aquilegia, Verbena bonariensis and some Echinacea here, but almost any perennial will respond, lupins or anything else. So here's how you do it. I've got some pots of compost here, and I'm just going to dip out the Echinacea seeds into my hand like that, and then sprinkle them over the surface of the compost. I probably won't use them all. I'll probably do a couple of these pots like that, and put the rest back in the packet. I'll then cover them with a little bit of compost like that over the surface, but not too thickly. And then I'm going to water them by putting them into a tray of water so that the water soaks up and we're not disturbing the seed by watering it from the top. Now that will take about an hour. Once they're watered through, I'll make sure, for instance, that they're labelled, and then I will put them back in this container, because this has got a clear plastic lid and it will stop them drying out. So once I've filled all the pots, I will put that in a cool place, a cool sheltered place, and they should germinate within about a month or so. Once they're big enough to break out, I will do that into their own separate containers and then keep them in a cool greenhouse or a cold frame through the winter, somewhere that's frost-free, ready to plant them out in the garden next spring.